Hey guys, so today we're gonna be opening up we're gonna be opening up this. I'm gonna open up a mystery power thing on Pokemon. And yeah, just gonna be opening up this. And yeah. Just give me a second to open this. Okay. This inside. Got some sleeves. That's pretty cool. We got 2 packs. Yeah. This is pretty cool. This is $20 though. It's kind of expensive. I like the packs. So those are pretty cool. Okay. Okay, so oh, okay, I like that card. I think that's rare. Ooh, okay. And yeah, these cards. Oh my god. Okay, we got some good pulls. So we got these 2. And I only put them in the sleeve, so yeah. I just put them in the sleeve. And yeah. Just read that over. Oh, these things take forever to open. Don't want to cut the sleeves though. Here we go. Oh my god, there's literally more packaging here. There we go. Oh, I just spilled it. Okay, whatever. Just put these to the side at this point. Okay, get that to the side. Okay. Finally put them in. I like that rope. I like this card. I don't know if that's rare exactly. I'm pretty sure it is though. Fun fact, do not put them in those not Pokemon hard cases. Do not do that. It'll damage your card. I learned that the hard way. Wow, we got some good pulls so far. And we still have one more pack. Hopefully we'll get some good pulls from this one. Okay. Just gonna eat it. So, okay. If I get something good, then you have to like and subscribe. Oh my god, I'm not even joking. No way. 2? Oh, even these things. I don't know what they're called really. V-Star cards. Okay. We got some good pulls. Okay. Got that. I want put them in the snake, put them in the case before. Oh my god. Okay, so we got some good pulls. These are all the good pulls. So I just put them on. Okay, wow, okay. And yeah. Make sure there's nothing else in the box. Yep, there's nothing else. Wow, okay. This was a lucky day, so... Yeah, see you guys later. Like and subscribe, so... Yeah, bye.